Welcome back, guys. So today we have here, we're gonna be doing some smoked sausage with a little bit of some barbecue sauce. There's a way that they're doing this that I haven't done yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it, which I know is gonna work out because my name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. All right, let's go ahead and get these bad boys out of here. All right, let's get them out. We got two of these. All right, what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna be cutting them cut all the way out, a little bit more than halfway, just like that. And we're gonna do this all the way around. Now, this is something that if you guys don't really have this, when you guys do barbecues, this is something that's real simple and can be used as a side. And I always use this. If I have a barbecue going on and I got family members coming, this is always in the menu, always. And people love this smoked sausage. I like to add barbecue sauce on it, and it's always something great to have. And so all the way that to the end, and we'll do the same thing on the other one. We'll be back. All right, now that we have them all cut, now we're gonna go with the barbecue rub from Killer Hogs. And so we're gonna go ahead and try to open these up a little bit like that, and then add some of this rub inside so we can get some in there, all the way in there. And we're gonna do the same on the other one. All right, so we're gonna add this in our pit boss. We're gonna put it at 275 degrees. We're looking about 45 to an hour. That being said, let's fire up our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is up to temp 275. Add these bad boys in there. And we'll be back in about 45 minutes. All right, they've been there for 30 minutes, and we're about to add the barbecue sauce. It'll be another 15 and we'll be back. All right, here you have it. So before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so here we have it, and it looks great. So since they're already pre-sliced here, it's a nice little bite, and let's go ahead and try it. No, I love these. One of my favorite things that I do on the pit is smoked sausages. They're easy, they're simple, and they're very good. Adding some barbecue sauce, puts it over the top. I hope you guys liked this video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.